Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to see you again. Today we'll discuss the value of a day in your life. Contribution of each day is unique. Utilize it to your best advantage. As you are unique in this world, so contribution of each day to you. Learn the importance of each day in your life. Think how to utilize your day well. One day is a large part of your life, which is made up of few days, while one is not sure how long he or she will live. So life is nothing but accumulation of few days. Nanotechnology study opens our eyes to show that potential of each day to revolutionize the diverse fields of activities in different walks of life. So giving attention to small parts is very important. If you look at life, you will see the bigger picture. Okay, that's fine. But life is made up of few years, and years are made up of few days. So give minute attention to each day. Each day is important. As all days may not be equally rewarding to all, so in reality, on some days you may be sick, unhappy, and less productive, stressed, and demotivated. Some days may be very useful for you, may be very productive to you. So in a week, you may find only few hours as productive. But if you want to progress in this competitive world, you need to make each day a bit rewarding. You need to change the way you look at your life. Plan your tasks, work with attention, and be result oriented. It forms base of your future. Learn the importance of a day and its role in developing your life or making you dull. Every living being has enough potential to grow. It is said we use only 10% of our potential. Imagine what may happen while we may utilize our rest 90% capacity. Even a single smartphone loaded with various types of apps has so many features which we cannot use fully now to our best advantage. So what to talk of our brain and its full utilization, which has a very huge power, vast power. So if you can realize how one day can transform your life and how it can destroy you if you don't utilize it properly, you will certainly try to rise to the occasion and you will pay enough attention to each moment. Be clear what you want to achieve and cannot live without achieving this end. Do not forget to jot down your dreams. How can you forget what you heartily want? But writing down and seeing them occasionally possesses some more benefits. You must have clear understanding what to do, when and how. Planning also need to be put to action, which can altogether show tangible result. Action is very important. So stop for a moment, look inward, be clear what you need and want in the following areas. These are only indicative and it can be expanded. You may have many areas to look for constructively and create critically daily. So you may have many areas to look for. So let us discuss something. First, physical health. Do you want to remain fit? If so, if yes, to what extent? How you want to be happy? How you want to have your good health? How can you improve your daily engagements? As improvement surfaces through constant attention and care. How can you have good mental health? Do you want to be energetic, enthusiastic to take up new things? Are you mentally strong to take risks and deal with difficulties which usually come in the path of progress? How you want to grow and maintain your social connections, which may help you to remain happy and most productive? How you value innovation and creativity, research and development? How are you interested to develop your productivity? How is your attitude towards adventure, risk taking, trying new things? How are attached to spirituality? How you are attached to spirituality, charity, philanthropy, being a contributor to the society and the world at large? How are you involved in continuous learning and sharing, which is the main source of your development? So, in view of your needs and wants, as shortlisted above, as we have discussed now, check how you spend time each day. Do you care for your 4 F's? Failure, frustration, flexibility, and focus. Each factor can provide you great lessons and richness. Your focus and discipline, FD, can be more than your fixed deposits. So small daily achievements and accumulating huge compounding interest in the long run. So keep in mind, focus and discipline. These two are very important as FD. Be concerned for PCP, Personal Contact Program, with suitable mindset for following. P for problem solving. C for continuous learning. P for positive thinking. So problem solving, continuous learning and positive thinking will motivate you. Constantly motivate you. Be concerned for these 3 things. Jumpstart your day with prayer to God. Once you get up from bed, certainly your intuition will kick you up to get up early and take up activities which will repeatedly surface in your mind in the early morning hours, even when you remain on bed. So what is there? Intuition helps us to find something new, to find something creative. Sit in silence for some time. Be grateful to be alive with full conscience. Do journaling on your accomplishments and lessons learned through shortfalls. Note down those things. Have morning affirmations and positive visualization of goal achievement. Do regular exercise as you need food daily. Exercise is more than food and medicine for your health. Mr. Brian Tracy has said, morning time is mostly very effective and take up your most important tasks first in the day. He is nicely explained in his famous book, Eat That Frog. Mr. Som Batla has said in his book, Master Your Day, Design Your Life, how to eat elephant one bite at a time. Take each problem or failure as a project and do some research on it. Learn from failures and go ahead. Be committed to fulfill your dreams. Think availability of each day is a great scope to achieve your goals, which are drawn from your dreams. Goals are gold mines, and days are scope for collecting diamonds. Days are like diamonds. In fact, days are more precious than diamonds. Make every day most rewarding to you. Try for new things daily and learn out of the process. Join like-minded people and earnest support. Be adventurous, take risks, experiment new ways. Be innovative to find new ways of doing things. Be creative. Small daily gains will lead to major victories in the long run. Learn new skills. Success depends on skills. Strengthen your signature strength. Turn out to be a superpower. Place your attention to small things and never forget to take up the following daily activities. Some of these may be repeat to what it stated earlier, but are reappearing based on their importance. So, go out for a nature walk. Exercise and stay fit. Make it a daily activity. Be kind to people. Be grateful. Do meditation and be mindful. Face challenges boldly. Laugh a lot. Laugh by heart. Touch someone either physically or virtually, praising or acknowledging their greatness. Be optimistic. Wake up early. Do not be lazy. Get up without any alarm. Have enough rest, relaxation and sleep. Rejuvenate. Set daily goals, weekly goals. Revise the goals regularly. Eat well, have right healthy eating habits. Take a break, rejuvenate yourself, express your love and get love. Be able to express yourself, do something you love, be more concerned for self-care. Note at least 3 acts of kindness each day. Accomplish big tasks and enjoy. Celebrate even small achievements in the process. Do at least one thing a day that you love. Meet people, connect to friends, enjoy talking to old friends, even if it is on mobile set. No problem, even virtual meetings, virtual talks also matter a lot. Take care of those 20% tasks which may give you 80% results. Be selective. You cannot take all tasks at a time. Learn to prioritize. Mr. Earl Nightingale has said, what you think you become. Think positive and be aware of your thoughts. Learn continuously. Read bestseller books, blogs, listen to YouTube videos, audiobooks. Constantly upgrade yourself to be in the best category. Understand the value of time. It never waits for anyone or any activity. Make every day most productive to you. Thank you. Wish you all the best.